The world is being taken by storm with the digital revolution, but the question is, how are schools going to keep up? I suggest taking a tablet and climbing on board the digital bandwagon. Using tablets in a classroom can meet curriculum demands and enhance your pedagogical approach in a number of ways. Firstly, through the use of educational apps, you can promote student construction of knowledge and scientific inquiry. Interactive apps allow students to explore, discover, and participate in active learning in ways not possible in conventional classrooms. For example, students can dissect a frog or fly around Mars at the tap of a finger. Tablets provide better choice of learning styles by allowing access to oral, visual, and tactile functions. At competitive prices, teachers can overcome classroom practicalities of technology integration through maintaining a class set of tablets to be distributed and used at the teacher's discretion. The vast array of apps available promote different levels of cognition, including higher order thinking. Finally, tablets can address numerous quality teaching elements, in particular deep understanding, student engagement, inclusivity, and student self-direction. I will now give you a very brief guided tour of a few of the iPad apps available in science education. Okay, the first app I'd like to show you here is called Mitosis. It's basically an interactive exploration of cell division, and it has a tutorial section where students can interact and explore with the different phases of mitosis. So you've got text, you've got audio, and you've also got an interactive part where you can play with the actual diagrams. You then have a read and listen section which gives you more detailed information. This would be great for students with literacy problems, as the text actually follows the audio.
Mitosis is the process of nuclear division in
and there's a test section. Then in the resources section you've got great videos, images and other resources, which saves you time sifting through looking for resources. These kind of images here you just can't obtain with the equipment that's available in the school laboratory. We've got Mars HD. Here you can, basically it's like a Google Earth app. You can zoom around the surface of Mars and you can look at some of the features of the planet. So there, it works like that. We've also got Universe HD, which allows you to look out into the universe from your current location, and you can track what's happening in the sky. You can look at constellations and stars and find out information about that. It also gives you information about the planets, and you can look at some of the local stars and the solar system as an animation. The last app I'd like to show you is a classroom management app, which allows teachers to communicate information about their classes and provide resources through the iPad. So you can upload information on a class, and here you've got the different tabs here. You've got class details, syllabus, schedule, resources and announcements. This is a great way of also communicating with parents at home, and you can set reminders and what have you for field trips and assignments. So that's just a couple of the plethora of different educational apps available on the iPad. So as you can see, tablets allow students to connect with the world in the palm of their hand. By maintaining a class set, teachers can moderate what students can access and create responsible, informed digital citizens. Step away from being the sage on the stage and start guiding students in a metacognitive journey that appeals to the great diversity of students who walk through your classroom doorway every day.